Need to fix too many request error on Microsoft Reward? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your Safari and move into official website of Microsoft Reward. Once you have been logged in into your page, swipe down and refresh the site. Once refreshed, now go back and once again head over to Microsoft Rewards. Sometime refreshing the site might also fix the issue. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is working properly. After that, the next thing you want to do is head over to Settings, head over to General. Scroll all the way down and click on VPN and Device Management. Make sure that the VPN is not connected on your device. Well, still, if it doesn't fix the issue, then all you can do is try using the different web browser. Sometimes using the different browser might also fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.